sport. And so here are just 2 pictures that I'm using in my experiment. Alright, so this is the background information. So first of all, swimming in saltwater than in freshwater. Saltwater is faster because it has more buoyant, and buoyant is able to float or stay at the surface at the top of the liquid or the gas. Alright, so this is a chart. This is viscosity, and viscosity is thickness residence of a fluid. So as you guys can see, I'm using H2O in this. So H2O is very far over here. It's easy to swim through. Over here, it's on the thicker side. So as you guys can see, if we filled a whole length pool of toothpaste, it would be really hard to swim through. And then I'm also using maple syrup, and maple syrup. It's not as far as toothpaste, but it still is harder to swim than water. Alright, and then also drag. What is drag? Drag is a kind of material that when you swim in the water, it like holds you back. So if I swim in the water right now, it would be holding me back because all of the stuff I don't need is all that's why they make the swimsuit so tight, because it's easy to swim through. And you go much faster than all of this stuff on. Alright, so this is the experiment. So my experiment is, can you swim faster in water or syrup? And this was conducted in the University of Minnesota, and it was researched by Brian Gettelfinger and E.L. Kostler. Alright, so first they added gear gum to thicken the pool mixture, and it actually was about twice the amount. It was about twice that of water. And so gear gum, what is gear gum? Gear gum is an edible source, and it is actually really close to syrup. And it's found in salad dressing, ice cream, and shampoo. And it doesn't look like syrup. It actually looks like snot because it's so thin looking, but it still is really slimy. Okay, so then they asked 10 competitive swimmers and 6 recreational swimmers to swim in a water-filled pool, and the gear gum added into it. So they recorded each swimmer's lap time, and then an example of a competitive swimmer is Brian Gettelfinger and E.L. Kostler. They were actually the researchers on the other page, but Brian Gettelfinger did do the experiment, and this is what it looks like. Alright, so this is the results. So swimming in gear gum does not change the swimming speed. The swimmer's time differed by no more than 4%, with neither water nor syrup producing consistently faster times. So what that means is actually swimming in water and swimming in syrup, they were the exact same time. Like I said before, my experiment is, can you swim faster in water or syrup? You can actually swim the same speed, the same distance. If you swim the same speed and the same distance, you'll go the same length, because if you, let's say in syrup, because it's so thick, you're pulling so much when you do one pull, and it makes you go farther than in water. It's so easy to pull through that you're not going that far in one pull. So if you take like a lot of pulls in water, you can go as fast as in the gear gum or the syrup. Alright, so the E.L. Kostler and Brian Gettelfinger, they recorded all of this graph, and they recorded velocity when the swimmers were doing in water, and then velocity when they were swimming in gear gum or syrup. So this is what it all looks like. So swimming speed in gear solution is the same as in water, like I told you before. Alright, so this is the bibliography. So these are all the websites I use. Most of them are pictures, and the report that I used, I also have in there. Alright, so thanks for watching.